second point of the chapter S block element. All the common compounds of the alkali metals are generally ionic in nature. General character of some of their compounds are discussed here. Oxide and hydroxide. On combustion in excess air, lithium form mainly oxides Li2O plus some peroxide Li2O2. Sodium forms the peroxide N2O2 and some superoxide NaO2 with potassium, rubidium and cesium form the superoxides MO2 under appropriate condition. Pure compound M2O, M2O2 and MO2 may be prepared. The increasing stability of the peroxide and or superoxide as the size of the metals ion increased is due to the stabilization of large ion by the larger cation through lattice energy effect. These oxides are easily hydrolyzed by water to form hydroxide according to the following reaction. M2O plus H2O to form 2M positive plus 2HO negative. M2O2 plus 2H2O to form 2M positive plus 2OH negative plus H2O. And these reactions are shown in example. The oxides and peroxides are colorless when pure, but the superoxides are yellow or orange in color. The superoxide are also paramagnetic. Focused on point, the superoxide are also paramagnetic, are color yellow and orange in color. Sodium peroxide widely used as an oxidizing agent in organic chemistry. Then the hydroxide, which are obtained by the reaction of the oxides with water, all white crystalline solids. The alkali metals hydroxides are the strongest of all the base and dissolve freely in the water with evolution of much heat on account of intense hydration. Then halides. The alkali metals halides Mx, X equals to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, are all high melting colorless crystalline solids. They can be prepared by reaction of the appropriate oxides, hydroxides or carbonate with aqueous hydrohalic acid HX. All of these halides have highest negative enthalpies of formation. Delta F H negative value from fluorides become less negative as we go down the group, with the reverse is a true. Delta F H negative from for chlorides, bromides and iodides. For a given metal, delta F H negative always become less negative from fluoride to iodide. Melting and boiling point always follow the trend. Fluorine is greater than chloride is greater than bromide is fluoride is less than chloride is less than bromide is less than iodide. All of these halides are soluble in water. The low solubility of LiF in water is due to this high lattice enthalpy, whereas low solubility of CSI is due to smaller hydrogenation enthalpy of two ions. Other halides of lithium and other halides of lithium and are soluble in ethanol, acetone and Ethyl- Ethylacetate LiCl is soluble in paradines also.